ก็ว่ากลับมาอันที่พองก็นะว่ากลับนะอันที่ก็ไม่พิเนี่ยคุณอำเดี๋ยวไปพองมันว่าเรื่องก็นี่ก็นอกจากเนี่ยสัตว์ก็มู่คงมันซุ่มยะงานาชินีฮะอันที่นั่งเดี๋ยวไปคุมเรื่องก็สัตว์ก็มองเฉลยปีก็อันเจียเชียนะฮะนี่มวยก็มังะตามิงด้วยทุกสิ่งคุยหันเรือปะนะขับจับนั่นแหละขับจับนั่นแหละนะฮะอันที่ไปขับมันน่าให้แต่ก็น่าชินนะนี่ก็นอกจากนั้นแบบว่าทะลุ
Since fleeing her village in Kachin State in northern Myanmar, this woman's family has been living in this camp with some 6,000 other ethnic Kachins. It is located near the town of Liza, close to the border with China. She's been here since 11th December. Fighting between the Myanmar military and the rebels, the Kachin Independence Army, flared up in June last year over deep-seated grievances, ending a 17-year ceasefire and forcing tens of thousands of people to take refuge in the jungles around Kachin and across the border in China. Aid workers estimate there are up to 50,000 displaced Kachins in the rebel-controlled areas near the border, urgently needing food, shelter and other relief items. These hastily built bamboo shelters on China's side of the border have no separate rooms, so hundreds of families share the floor space under a tarpaulin roof that is inadequate for the cold weather. Others live in an abandoned building in the same compound with bare concrete floors. A flimsy bamboo mat provides warmth to the families who live cheek by jowl. This woman spent 22 days hiding in the jungle with 9 family members before arriving at the camp in China.
Ko sanga to nga khumbai mjo nan ta ope wa sa don da man ta ko ni ngu na le jang pe ngaman na annu ni kre gre ne nga na gu ni mwe ni ko no kan nga ka kan chim bi ka nga na gu ni mwe ni ko pe ha kan no kan rong ngang chen chen yen ni pe du bang wa ken sa pe shuk wa le jang annu ni ta mun na lo ya tha ko na.
With no regular income, she's almost completely reliant on aid. When she can, she works more than 8 hours a day digging for yams, which she sells for about $3. Reports say fighting has intensified in the past weeks. This is a camp on the Myanmar side of the border, housing more than 5,000 displaced Kachins. Like in the other camp, the displaced here are mostly farmers. They fled during the planting season with few belongings, and many have been unable to go back because of the dangers involved, including roadblocks. Most international aid agencies are unable to access these camps, and the government has allowed the United Nations to visit the area only once since fighting started. Most of the help is being provided by local Kachin aid groups, which have little funding to cover their needs. Health and disease concerns are paramount, and the education and well-being of children have been negatively affected. Their daily lives have been disrupted, and the makeshift classrooms are badly equipped. These people have no idea when they are going back home, and even if they go back, whether there would be anything left of their belongings.